we decided to get one. I think there was like 89 bucks on sale for the tool only at Home Depot, which is ridiculously affordable. Hey guys, Tim from Huck Small Engine Repair and Sales here with a tool review. We're gonna start doing a lot of those simply because obviously we use a lot of tools, right? So we used to just obviously just use ratchets, but come the day and age, everyone's got an 18 volt or 20 volt impact. So we went and got ourselves one. Now the reason we chose Ryobi is because one, it's way less expensive. It's super affordable. We're just the typical average homeowners, you know, doing remodels and stuff. So we have tons of drills. Their batteries are super cheap, and these big ones, they actually pack a little bit of punch. They have this little meter on here, so you can see how much juice you have, much like Milwaukee and DeWalt. But regardless, this thing has 3 speeds. This is speed 1. This is speed 2. This is speed 3. Now you may ask why different speeds on an impact as opposed to like speeds on a drill. I think it varies in torque amount, you know, foot-pounds of like breakaway power or tightening power. Now I will say this probably isn't going to outperform your $300 or $400 Snap-ons or Milwaukees or Max that you get off the tool truck. If you're a diesel mechanic like my father, I know lots of guys do invest in those simply because you're using it for everyday life and it's literally making your living, and it's a lot more pertinent than working on a lawnmower. But nevertheless, we decided to get one. I think there was like 89 bucks on sale for the tool only. Wow. At Home Depot, which is ridiculously affordable. This whole thing together, it was probably $150. So this is a totally worth the cost. I could not recommend this anymore. If you're just even working on your truck or your car, you know, even your standard 1-ton work pickups, this thing is gonna break those bolts loose, and it's gonna give you enough torque to put it back together. Now, the professional mechanics at the shops who are working on semis who need, you know, gobs of foot-pounds of torque to tighten shit up, I wouldn't go with this. I don't think it's gonna last, but for the homeowner, for less than 150 bucks, like I said, I think the tool was $89, which is insane for half-inch drive. That right there gives you the ability to, you know, step up in size. And I think it even says, it doesn't actually say on here, and I don't have the box, what the actual foot-pounds of torque is, but I will list those specs in the description and hopefully in the video too. But seriously, you guys, for the cost, I cannot recommend it more. It's perfect in every way. So run out to Home Depot or your local Ryobi dealer and get you one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell on for notifications. We're just starting out our YouTube channel, but we've been mowing lawns for over 50 years, servicing, repairing mowers for over 40 years. So it just runs in our blood. I'm a 3rd-generation owner. We just like to work on small engines. So yeah, we're just starting a YouTube channel. Hope to see you on the other side.